It doesn't matter what you do to your car, your opinion is your opinion. Don't worry about what anyone else says. Everyone's got a different taste, and that's what makes a car club a car club. You know, you can't turn up to a show with 30 identical vehicles. It's great to turn up to a show with 30 individual vehicles, you know, because that's what makes a club great. The car club culture is pretty good.
Everyone has their demons.
I don't have any kids at the moment, but when I do have kids, I think I'll pass it down to them.
Demons in my head, bitch.
The best thing at the moment is the suspension. I love the suspension. With my wheels, I reckon the wheels set it off a lot. It is my daily car. I don't think I'll ever get rid of it.
I grew up in a town that was in the car scene anyhow, so from a very young age I was into cars. Tried to keep it as original as possible. In this sort of light it looks black, but you get it out in the sun and it actually is a really dark olive green. Since I've had it, I've done about 100,000 k's in it. I've done a few custom engine covers as well. I sort of interchange them, put kilometres on it because it'll never decrease in value. I'm part of a small club, VT, VX HSV Owners Club, and you know they're a great bunch of mates. A Class M, you know, probably better mates than mates I grew up with.
In my head, bitch.